Hey guys, welcome back. So thank you so much for tuning in today. Today's video is going to be how I unwind from a long day of dealing with 3 kids, cleaning the house, cooking, and going to the gym. So first, we're gonna just start taking off all our layers. And right there, I was checking my steps to see if I met my goal, and I was like, oh yeah, I did. So this is my sweat belt from Sweet Sweat, and I love it. And we're just gonna be taking off our makeup because I don't like to wash my makeup off in the shower because then I just feel like it's all over my face, and it's not the dealio that I want to be dealing with. So I just use the regular makeup wipes from Costco. We're going to be taking off the wipe, the brows, and the mascara. Now it's time to turn on the shower and start getting everything nice and warm. Taking a shower. I'm gonna wash this nasty hair because I literally felt the oil in my hair. It was so gross. And bam, we are done. I just threw on some regular pajama pants. Well, they're more like my husband's pajama pants, and a regular t-shirt. And now we are just gonna get into my skincare routine that I do. But first, we're gonna take this castor oil that I bought off of Amazon, and we are gonna split my hair. I'm gonna split my hair down the middle and just get a little it's a makeup brush that I use, and I just start putting it all in my hairline. And I do this because I feel like I lost a lot of hair from there. This light is making me look like super duper bald, but I'm not that bald. But I just feel like I have like a deep hairline now. It's not that full. And I noticed when I use this castor oil that I have like a bunch of sprouts like coming out of my hair. So it's working. We're going to be taking the Murad Rapid Age Serum, and this is good for dark spots. So I'm going to be putting that all over the sides of my cheeks and under my neck because I broke out really badly testing out a foundation, and this is helping me out. Next is the Clinique Moisturizing Gel, and this is the one for oily skin. They do have one for dry skin, but since I am oily, we are going to put that all over our face. Just rub it in there and tap. Next, this is a Best Damn Beauty lip mask from Nicole Guerrero. I love this stuff. This is like my third little tub, and it's amazing. I really recommend this product. It keeps your lips so moisturized. So now we're going to be taking the Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Serum, and we're just going to be putting that on our laugh lines where our crow's feet would be, and just a tiny bit on our forehead. I don't have those wrinkles right now, but I do have a little bit on my forehead. So we're just trying this product out since I came in a BoxyCharm. We're also going to be taking the IT Cosmetics eye cream and putting that under our eyes so we have a hydrating under eye when we wake up in the morning. Just dab that in very softly. You don't want to pull on that skin since it's really sensitive. And that's it for our face. But now we're going to be moving into this Aveeno Daily Moisturizer, and we're just going to be rubbing that on our arms and our elbows because I get really bad dry arms and elbows. I don't know why, I just do, and I found that this lotion works great for me. So I use this on my arms, my elbows, my feet, my legs, It's an amazing lotion. And my hands. I'm just gonna put the rest on my hands, and bam, we are done. Now we're gonna go downstairs and get some tea. We're gonna be having bedtime tea today. Usually I like to drink something that calms me. I know there's a bunch of different teas down there, but I love to have this one while I go to have my mommy relaxing time. Just enjoy these little few minutes that I have to myself before bed, since all the kids are asleep already, hopefully. We're just gonna be putting a little bit of honey in there, probably like a teaspoon or less. I don't put sugar in my tea. I just get the sweet from the honey, and I like it that way. So after this, we're gonna go right back upstairs to my bedroom, and we're gonna be sitting on my chair. And I like to use this time to go like online and look at other people's videos, see who has posted, and I like to reply to comments and just have a little bit downtime for myself. Once I am done with replying to comments or watching the videos, or just, looking online to see what I can buy online shopping, I jump into a book and I read for a bit, maybe 1 or 2, maybe 3 pages, up until I start getting drowsy. And then I'm just like, okay, it's time for bed. Before I go to bed, I go check on the kids, make sure they are sleeping. And now it's time to get ready for bed. I just throw all the pillows to the side, and even though my husband's not here sleeping with me, I still sleep on just my side instead of hogging the bed. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and good night.